Welcome to Swydo. In this video, I'll explain more about our export format, online dashboards. Online dashboards are exports that are still linked to the draft report. Any changes you make to the draft report, adding or removing metrics, widgets, text, etc., will be automatically reflected in the dashboard. It's also possible to change the date range manually in the dashboard. By default, it will show the date range set up in the draft report, but you can play around with it as well as the comparison date range. This allows you to create an environment where your clients can always see the latest statistics, while also allowing them to see data for different date ranges if they want to. It is also possible to hide the date range selectors. Your clients will still receive an up-to-date online dashboard, which will use the report's rolling date range, but they won't have the ability to change that date range. To do this, you must be in the draft report. Click Edit the header, and then disable the date ranges. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through the in-app chat or by sending an email to support@swydo.com. Thanks for watching.